How to connect Eero to NBN box. So plug in the Eero mesh straight into Australian NBN, straight into an Australian NBN connection box, and completely lock you out of the internet if your provider requires specific authentication. To unlock your full throughput, you must bridge the hardware correctly and align your Eero app with your ISP's configuration rules. So today we are deploying a precise physical connections and set up paths to bring your mesh network online. So let's establish the connection. Locate your wall-mounted NBN connection box, whether you're running on an FTTP, HFC, or fixed wireless NTD. Pull the power cable from the NBN box for 30 seconds to clear the old device MAC address lease, and then plug it back in. Run a high-quality Cat6 Ethernet cable from the designated active port on the NBN, which is almost always labeled UNI D1, straight into either port on the back of your primary gateway Eero node. And power up the Eero and wait its LED light to pulse blue. Then open up the Eero mobile app, tap Get Started, and proceed through the prompts. If your provider uses standard IPOE, like Aussie Broadband or Telstra, it will connect instantly. But if you are with a provider that requires custom protocols, wait for the error screen reading your Eero can't reach the internet. Tap the blue Internet Settings button if your provider uses PPPoE. If your provider uses PPPoE, tap WN type, select that, and enter your ISP username and password. And also note that if you're using the Aussie Broadband and it fails to authenticate, open your My Aussie app, just jump into the Service Desk tab, and click Kick Connection to instantly clear the circuit for your new Eero. If this was helpful as always, guys, like and subscribe.